Hi everyone, welcome to this month's Drive and Fail. Nothing new going on. People pulling out in front of learner cars.
I am going to go. That was good, wasn't it?
Then parking in immediately. And then of course we've got the stereotypical red light jumpers in my city. But in the next clip, I try and help someone out. Watch the scooter rider that's coming up behind. The road's narrowing and he puts himself right in the danger zone. I sort out the problem and let him get ahead. No issues there. And at the other end of Walton Vale, the lights are on red. So I used my opportunity to try and help out. And luckily, he was really accepting. I did have my roof box on, so he did work out that I was a driving instructor. How would you have taken the advice that I gave?
Try not to sit next to people there, mate. You put yourself at big risk. I saw you, but most people wouldn't. Either get past or go back behind a little bit, buddy. All right, mate?
And again, we've got something else in this clip that we see all too often. Someone using the mobile phone, and especially doing a busy roundabout like I'm emerging on. Watch the white Fiesta driver. For me, it's no different than being drunk and operating the car. Leave your phone in the glove box.
On Friday, what goes on? Be careful, this DPD van coming in to the left. He will probably come in this space. It's because he'll turn left as well. He was just guaranteed to want to do that. He'll probably go through the red light as well, knowing it. It's called read the script, isn't it? What do you reckon?
Absolutely.
Half-light conditions are the worst time to be seen, and although this cyclist has a light on, he shouldn't be doing this. What was your thoughts on the horn use? Please let me know in the comments.
Noticed the first one initially. What was the bit that showed you that it was going?
They were keeping.
Good. Did you see the wheels start turning as well?
Yeah.
Well done, good. So you need to pick up on that.
Yeah.
And you need to get your pupils to pick up on that as well.
Cool.
Honestly, it's easy enough, isn't it?
Again, I mean, like, you've made me a far better driver than I originally was.
Yeah.
Little things like that, as I say, the position of the wheels on his phone.
He is on his phone. Is that a taxi?
Yeah.
226.
Should I have used the horn there? Again, as a reminder to say, I'm here mate, you missed me.
Good bit of parking.
Yeah.
This situation starts when I move into lane 2 and the vehicle behind me now moves in front of the red car. And it's the red car that we're watching. As you can probably tell, I'm not in the Golf, I'm in the Tesla, and we haven't got L plates on. So this can happen to anyone, don't forget. But it's how you deal with it that's the key. The four-wheel drive is turning off at the next junction and has slowed down, so the red car overtakes. At this point, I've got autopilot on, not with the steering function, but just the adaptive cruise control, so I'm stuck at 70 miles an hour. The driver of the red car is getting a little impatient. But in this situation, I've got plenty of room in front of me. I'm going to go back in to the left after the lorry, even though that there's a junction coming up and emerging. Don't do this if you think you're going to put yourself in danger. The red car had room then in lane 3 to overtake. I've just deactivated the active cruise control because I saw this vehicle emerging from the left. I needed to slow to create a little bit of space. It didn't get them far, a little bit further up. I actually overtook them again. They decided to slow down. Par for the course, I think, on this motorway, the M58. By the looks of it, it didn't seem to be anyone else involved apart from the Volvo. I truly hope everyone was okay. Medical episodes are a big cause of serious crashes. I'm not saying that that was definitely the case in this incident, but if you ever feel unwell, stop the car immediately.
I think of all the subjects that we looked at today, I think that's probably that's probably the one I'm most confident with. I'm sound.
Yeah, okay. I'll just go and have a little delve about...
He's gonna love you.
Just protect him.
Yeah.
Horrible situation. You don't want him to miss something. Does he turn around? Well, you think he could be. Now, if I was turning round, I would have gone down and done it at the roundabout a bit further back there, mate. But anyway. You're okay, buddy. But anyway, teach your pupils that as well, because if you think if he's got that danger of reversing in there, could be pedestrians, could be bits and bobs around that junction, me being the blocker,
just gives him one less thing to worry about. You can focus on the more, you know, people who are more vulnerable.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Oh no.
There you go, perfect. Good, happy with the van. Pedestrians not an issue.
No.
Good. Taxi to the left, driving in the cycle area. What's he likely to do?
Come in.
Be careful. Be careful. Wow. What should the taxi have done?
Nothing in the cycle area.
Just waited?
Yeah.
How's your impatience?
Yeah.
Was it going to get him to where he was going to be in the queue any quicker? No.
Absolutely not.
It blows my mind sometimes.
Yeah.
No fail again in this clip, just trying to be nice. But if the van from the opposite direction had taken an earlier position to let me know he wished to come through in the middle, I probably could have slowed earlier. And to finish, something that grinds my gears.
The amount of people who pick up the kids and park on zigzags is untrue. People who get killed. Lazy people. Just walk.
Keep safe everyone, I hope to see you soon.